In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lengthen the playtime of a photo in Clipchamp. Whether you're creating a photo slideshow or just need that extra bit of time for your photos, this guide will walk you through step by step to achieve that perfect timing you desire. First things first, open up your browser and head straight to Clipchamp's official website at clipchamp.com. If you're a regular here, you might already have an account, so just click on sign in. However, if you're new to this platform, you might need to set up an account through Microsoft. Once you're on the sign in page, continue with Microsoft. This link allows you to sign in using your Microsoft credentials, offering a seamless entry into the world of Clipchamp. Don't worry about security, you're in good hands here. Select your Microsoft account from the list and with a click you're on your way. Now that you're signed in, you'll be directed to Clipchamp's homepage. From here, the creative possibilities are endless. To begin your project, click on Create a New Video. This action will open up the editor where you can start shaping your vision. Look for the option that says Import Media. That's your gateway to bringing in those memorable photos ready to be transformed. Choose the photos you'd like to work with from your device. Drag and drop the desired photo onto the timeline. Seeing your image nestled in the timeline is always exciting, but jumping ahead to the fun part, lengthening its playtime. Click directly on the photo you've added to the timeline. This action will allow you to interact directly with the image's properties. Here's where the magic happens. On one end of the photo, you'll notice a small handle. By dragging this endpoint, you dynamically adjust the duration. If you want the photo to linger for a more extended period, just extend that handle further down the timeline. How long or short you make it is entirely up to you. Ensure it complements the mood and pacing of your video project perfectly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully adjusted your photo's playtime in Clipchamp. This feature can be particularly useful when syncing your images to music or narratives. As you revisit your project, feel free to refine and tweak as needed. Clipchamp offers an intuitive platform to make such adjustments a breeze. I hope this guide has been helpful, and as you become more familiar with the tools at your disposal, you'll find countless ways to breathe life into your projects. Happy editing, and see you next time for more creative tips and